How to verify your account. Log into the client portal. On your dashboard, click Complete Profile under Get Started. Fill in your address details, address, postcode, town under Profile Information and hit Submit. Click Continue to the next step and complete your financial profile including country of tax residence, your employment, and financial details, and then click Submit. Next, provide your trading experience, how often you trade, investment knowledge, and click Submit again. You will then be asked to verify your identity by choosing to upload an ID document, passport, national ID card, or driving license. You can then verify your address by uploading an address document such as a bank statement or a utility bill. Click Submit and Upload. That's it. Once our team reviews and approves your documents, you'll get a confirmation email. You can update your profile anytime. Thank you for watching.